Hi, welcome to this session, accidents and their effects. We want to know what is accident and how do they affect the company's activities, day-to-day activities. How costly is accidents vis-a-vis making profits of a company? We like to look at the effects of accidents to companies or organization runnings. To have a good perspective on the economics of workplace accidents, we have to consider, or we must consider them within the total cost of all accidents. This cost includes factors such as the following: lost wages. When there's an accident, it automatically means there's no work for some days. Work has to hold on depending on the gravity of accident that happened. It will affect wages of staff and even income of the company, delaying targets, meeting deadlines. This will affect the speed, and time will be wasted also. We have medical costs. It means more costs to take care of medical health or people who have been injured, if there are any, or those who have fallen ill, those who have had any injury of any type. This medical costs will be incurred. We have insurance administration. We know it's important to comply with insurance, and when there's an actual incident, then these payments come to play, and this is an extra cost. We have fire-related losses. When an accident occurs, there might be possibility of losing machines, even the buildings, even big investments. This very important, looking at the costs of effect of accidents in any company. We want that to be avoided as much as possible. As professionals of health and safety for any organization, we need to have a plan to make sure this doesn't happen, or even reduced to a very minimal number. And we have total overhead costs that relates with accidents and their effects to running the company or organization. And totally, the economics of a company or workplace is affected basically because of accident. We look at roles of different parties in planning accident prevention plan, and we have employees. They have a role to play in prevention of accidents. How do they come in? Employees should be aware of the risk involved, know the appropriate safety precautions, and have appropriate safety equipment in place and use it. This is the cap of it. They need to know what is at stake, what they are going into, what plans are available, what are the solutions when things happen, what to do, and need to use them. And this is very important and expected. There's no negligence for this. We have security professionals who should monitor to ensure that safety rules are being followed at every point. They are there as the eye of the organization and making sure everyone, or even the guests that are not used to the environment, make good use of the precautions and the rules that govern safety in that place. We have the decision makers who support accident prevention. They should also consider the relative costs of such efforts. Other effects are wage costs, delay in deadlines. We are not able to meet our deadlines because we have to stop work. If there's an emergency, if there's an accident, you don't expect this person to continue working. There cannot be a good result. It has to stop. And this attracts fines because we are not able to meet up with the expected deadlines. We need to face the consequence, either fines or other penalty that comes with it. We need to calculate direct costs related to all lost working hours and even employee lost hours vis-a-vis the average loaded labor rate. And all these are the effects of accidents to the work environment. Thank you.